In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best pocket knife in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which pocket knife is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, CIVIVI Knives Elementum D2. Sharp folding pen knife, long-lasting D2 foldable knife blade with hardness 59 to 61 RC, gives razor-sharp reducing efficiency, stylish securing lining. Practical blade take care of sports. A lightweight G10 knife handle scale gives a safe and secure grip and comfy in-hand feeling. Smooth flipper implementation, stainless steel round bearings in the pivot allow simple and easy blade opening through fin, easy-used Swiss Army knife. Energy folding knife, with the ability to accomplish different day-to-day tasks, make it dependable for daily lug, camping, searching, interior and outside activities. This item consists of chemicals known to the state of California to trigger cancer cells, as well as an abnormality or other reproductive harm. Ceramic ball bearing pivot construction makes sure great, very smooth activities, permitting fast and stylish one-handed deployment effortlessly. Elementum is simply an amazing knife in the hand. With its thoughtfully created thickness, size, and also well-rounded sides on taking care of. This knife with its distinct deep carry clip carries like a dream. It is a terrific buddy and also a wonderful means to bring without concern. Elementum is the best slicer. High-performing D2 blade provides superior stamina, as well as edge retention. Here is the item number 4, Kershaw Oso Sweet Knife. 3.1-inch, very easy to maintain 8cr 13 MOV stainless steel blade with a non-reflective, satin look. Black glass-filled nylon managed with comfortable contour, as well as distinctive scale pattern, for a special look as well as a strong grasp. Great for maintenance experts, fishermen, backpackers, walkers, landscaping companies, campers, and more. Attribute-rich handle includes speed-safe assisted opening, a protected locking lining, convenient relatively easy-to-fix pocket clip, and pre-drilled lanyard opening. The timeless drop-point blade is perfect for a number of jobs like opening plans, cutting cordage, cutting fruit, aggressive pet protection, eliminating zip ties, and more. Kershaw's Oso Dessert is one sweet little pocket knife. Featuring a timeless drop-point blade, the Oso Dessert provides optimal energy coupled with lots of distinct designs. The Oso Sweets 3.1-inch blade is made from 8cr 13 MOV stainless steel, as well as covered with a simple-to-clean satin finish. 8cr 13 MOV is accuracy warmth dealt with and known for its exceptional stamina, rust resistance, and also capability to hold a sharp edge. Outfitted with fast-acting rate-safe help to open, the Oso sugary food opens rapidly and conveniently with one hand. Whether left or right-handed, the blade is quickly accessed as well as ready to go whenever needed. The take care of is made of durable glass-filled nylon for excellent sturdiness and incorporates a textured range pattern for standout good appearances. The item number 3, Kershaw Clash Pocket Knife. 3.1-inch 8cr 13 MOV stainless steel blade with black oxide finish for excellent durability, edge retention, and put-on resistance. Textured glass-filled nylon takes care of ranges, provide a solid grasp with mild shape as well as comfy in-hand feeling. Closed length 4.25-inch. Drop point, partly serrated blade is perfect for dealing with daily tasks like opening cardboard boxes, cutting rope, stripping cable, and also even more. Attribute-rich deal with consists of speed-safe aided opening, integrated fin-protected locking lining, and also a practical reversible pocket clip. The Black Clash is an excellent device for any hiker, seeker, fisherman, gardener, mechanic, backpacker, or anyone looking for a solid, trusted EDC. A drop-point blade with the best tummy recurve uses excellent slicing ability and partial serration quickly cuts with harder products like rope and webbing. The Clash's blade is coated with a sneaky black oxide coating, enhancing corrosion resistance and providing a non-reflective appearance. Textured glass-filled nylon takes care of ranges, supply strong grip with gentle shape, fitting easily in hand. Speed-safe assisted opening offers a smooth and easy one-handed opening by simply drawing back on the fin. A secure locking liner supplies risk-free as well as solid blade lockup, as well as a relatively easy-to-fix pocket clip permits convenient, user-flexible lug. Similar to all Kershaw knives, the Clash is developed with the accuracy, fit as well as coating individuals expect. Number 2 on our list, Grand Way Assisted Knife. Blade with folding spring helped open up the blade, as well as the pocket clip has a straightforward as well as trustworthy liner lock that is immune to dirt and also stops unexpected closure. Outfitted with the thumb studs for right and also left-hand usage. Perfect tactical blade for whatever camping, etc., walking, backpack, bushcrafting, hunting and fishing, military requires, outdoor and DIY activities, survival, self-defense, emergency situations. Black coated 440C stainless steel, excellent balance of solidity, as well as deterioration resistance, ensures proper operation without honing. Gives razor-sharp cutting performance and high sturdiness. The black folding knife is constructed from sturdy 440C stainless steel, blade finishing black oxide. Handle product aluminum. The clip is available. Blade length 3.42 inch. Overall length 7.75 inch. Perfect gift concept, gifts for hubby from wife, confirming widely preferred as papa gifts, presents for men, brother, the university presents for guys as well as also daddy and regulation gifts. Presents for ladies. Surprise your mother, sis, sweetheart. Perfect present for Christmas, college graduation, anniversary, birthday celebration, Thanksgiving Day. Stocking stuffers for men, ladies. The top one in our list, Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. Dimensions, 7.1 inches, 18 centimeters total size with a blade size of 3.1 inches, 7.9 centimeters, and a weight of 3.5 ounces. Resilient, blade is constructed from dependable 7cr17 MOV black oxide high carbon stainless steel with a black, aluminum handle. Trustworthy, quick and also simple access with the practical pocket clip, finger fin as well as ambidextrous thumb knobs, making it ideal for daily bring. Secure, have self-confidence that the blade will not slide with the safety and security of the liner lock. Smith as well as Wesson focus on producing blades that are ready for all situations. Whether you are a blade collection agency, survivalist, or a very first responder, you can rely on that your S&W knife will certainly be the device you can rely on in any situation. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Liner Lock Foldable Blade is made with a black high-carbon stainless steel partially serrated clip factor blade. This blade has ambidextrous thumb knobs, jimping, and an index fin. The black lightweight aluminum comes with jimping and a pocket clip. Handle features distinctive material, as well as finger indentions for a safe and secure, and also solid grip when in use. Features thumb studs for a fast as well as very easy opening when one-handed usage or a quick implementation is needed. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best pocket knife amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.